Hello, Kickstarters! We would like to show our gratitude to our backers for all your support. And because of you, Distinct was our first successful Kickstarter project. We appreciate all your positive feedback and thank you for letting us know how much you loved it. We all know that every great product takes years of dedication to design and develop. But knowing we're bringing value to our Kickstarter community and to tool enthusiasts around the world, we will continue to strive in creating innovative products to maximize your productivity. During a very long pandemic lockdown, we never stopped brainstorming great ideas that we knew you would love. And today, we are back. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 years in the making, we are very excited to introduce you to ScrewDriverKing. The king of all screwdrivers, packed with 40+ essential features, useful for anyone looking to own an all-in-one multi-tool that can be used in everyday repair. State-of-the-art 18-karat gold-plated and beveled edges make this multi-tool one of a kind. An ergonomic anti-slip handle with dedicated storage for all your tools, all visible and accessible in seconds. It is designed to keep both the tool and your hand dry by letting the warm air circulate and escape between its grooves while it's in use. In addition, we implemented rulers that can be used to measure both in inches and metric to give you precise outcomes. Integrated earth magnets will keep your screw bits where you want them to be at all times. There is a double endpoint hex socket with built-in earth magnet and a tent ball, which can easily be transformed into a standard or a full setup to adapt to any job you might have. Included are 27 different size screw bits, a 1/4 inch, and the double-ended 3/16-inch Phillips and flathead. A file tool that can be used to smooth sharp edges for those of us who are looking for perfection. We wanted this tool to have a spoke wrench with all the sizes available, so that no matter what type of bike you are riding, you will be covered. Included is DT Swiss T20 for use on Tricon wheels. We've combined a high-precision circular bubble level that's capable of leveling both horizontal and vertical surfaces, an important tool in getting the job done right. ScrewDriverKing is made of the highest quality stainless steel 17.4 pH and has a valuable combination of high strength, good corrosion resistance, and hardness. Therefore, it will withstand the toughest job you'll throw at it. We are ready. Our manufacturers are ready. And we know you are too. Tooling has already been paid for, but we need your support for our first production run. Back us today, and together we will bring ScrewDriverKing into existence and into your hands.